A triangular roof garden in Petach Tikva, Israel, has a base of length 7.8 meters and a height of 46.5 meters. Find its area. The five-step process starts with familiarize, step 1. So we're going to let A equal the area. Now, the second step is to translate. Well, we're going to translate the formula for the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. And what we will then do is substitute for the base and the height, and that will allow us to calculate the area. If you'll remember, the base was equal to 7.8 meters, and the height was equal to 46.5 meters. Let's make those substitutions. So A is equal to 1/2 7.8 times 46.5. Whether you do the calculation by hand or in a calculator, you'll find that the area is equal to 181.35, and that would be square meters. So that was the carry out step number 3, where we solved for A. The next step, 4, is to check. And the best way to check would be to recalculate our calculations, and they still work out to 181.35 square meters. And step 5 is to state the solution. So we would say the area is 181 and 35 hundredths square meters.